is all the things to be done, and later we should see that after that we go for the support after implementing everything end up, and we should support the project whenever while supporting we will get arised the tickets were being arised will be created by the end user. And we should see that we have four types of tickets, that is P1, P2, P3 and P4. P1 is the 2 hours, within 2 hours we should resolve, and we should respond immediately within 15 minutes to assign anyone who are in the team, and parallelly we should work out on that. And next one is P2 is nothing but 6 hour time within 15 minutes, same we should resolution time will be 6 hours, but response time is 10 hours, sorry 15 minutes. And P3 means 3 days, the minimum response time 30 minutes, and last P4 is 4 days we can take, we response time is 30 minutes. And after tool ticketing tools, we use the service now the software to this, and we have ticket types, three types, that is incident type, service request, and the change request. And also we'll do further the error troubleshooting. We follow the errors of troubleshooting like master data issue, configuration issue, new requirement interface issue, data format, and performing related things, and authorized errors and integration. All these are all the error troubleshooting errors which we should resolve after this. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Fantastic, very nice explanation. Thank you. See, ఇంకొకళ్ళు ఎవరన్నా చెప్తారా? నేను రికార్డ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నారండి. మీలో రికార్డ్ నేను టచ్ చేయొద్దని చెప్తున్నారు. కొత్త వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో రికార్డ్ అసలు ఆప్షన్ టచ్ చేయకండి. గెస్ట్ యూజర్స్ తో స్టిల్ లాగిన్ అవుతున్నారు. గెస్ట్ యూజర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ అలౌడ్ ఇన్ ది గ్రూప్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెవరు చెప్తారు? ఇంకొకళ్ళు చెప్తే సరిపోతుంది నాకు. I will start the session.
So, can I?
Yes.
Basically, in the introduction class, we have discussed what is SAP and why SAP is number one in the market. What are the best ERPs in market like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, and so on. And next we have discussed about what is S4HANA, and currently we are working on 2022 version in S4HANA. And what are the HANA database like designed? Basically it is designed by SAP, and it is 1,000 times faster than Oracle, SBL, SQL, and so on. And also we have discussed about what are the business suite in S4HANA, and also basically what are the three servers we work on S4HANA. Those are presentation server, application server, and database server. And the main thing is why to choose S4HANA, the reasons why we choose S4HANA, and also the consultant roles and responsibilities. Basically this is project based work, and here types comes like implementation project, which is 20 to 24 months, support project 2 years to 3 years, rollout project 6 months to 10 months, upgrade project 6 months to 8 months, conversion project 6 months to 8 months, and M&A, mergers and acquisition, 10 months to 12 months. Here comes first one is implementation project, mini project in implementation project this is. And here there are three mini projects under implementation project. Testing project, which comes under 6 months, data migration project 6 months, RISEF, which is system design and development, 4 months to 5 months. And here we have taken an example for client, which is TVS Private Limited. And basically the client never used SAP earlier, and how the client converts non-SAP to SAP. And we have also taken the example for consulting companies like IBM, TCS, Accenture, Capgemini, etc. And how we will do bid regarding the client, and how we work with the client, and what are the designations after we join in any company, and what are the skills required for SAP consultant. And basically we need to know the business process, command on requirement gathering, command on configuration, knowledge on testing, SAP end user activities, data migration, project activities, and client facing skills, which is more important, and also research and development. And we have to maintain a good relation with our colleagues, and basic telephonic skills, command on email writing, and behavioral skills, command on troubleshooting, which is identifying the issues and resolving it. And here comes the roles and responsibilities. First one is strategic level. Strategy here is, it is nothing but planning, and here again, we have taken the example of client TVS Private Limited, which the client never used SAP earlier. He want to switch to SAP for the first time. And here in strategic level, we will define the client logo, project objectives, duration, service level agreement, resource needed, client expectation from us, business process. Until here, we don't handle more experienced candidates. They will work on this. It is not worked by the consultants. Kickoff meeting here. Here our actual role as SAP consultant starts. And this meeting, which will be hosted by project manager, introduction meeting with our colleagues and also seniors about client and the complete business process. And here comes the project team. Like we have functional consultants, technical consultants, interface teams, project managers, delivery lead, and so on. And next, operational level. Operational level is nothing but gathering and understanding the complete business information. Here we have as is document in operation level, which is shared by our client, and basically it is for client business information. Next, to be document, it is a SAP document. Next, fit gap analysis document. It is just nothing but difference between as is and to be document. And the fourth one is scope document, which is list of questionnaires which we trigger to our clients. Next, requirement gathering is not here. Under requirement gathering, we have another three steps, which is organizational units, master data, and transactional data. Organizational units in SAP are client, which is the highest level in the organizational unit, and the plant level comes under here. It represents the location where materials are stored or manufactured. And storage location is nothing but it is like a subdivision of plant where materials are stored. Like example, we can take as warehouse. Next, purchasing organization. It is a unit which it is for a specific procurement activities like buying the raw materials. And next, company code, which is used in material management for tracking the financial data, which is related to material management transactions. And material master data for materials used in procurement inventory management. And we have master data in SAP master data, material master data, vendor master data, which is here vendor master data, there will be complete information about the supplier from whom the organization purchases goods or services. And also we have purchasing info record. It is a combination of both material and vendor specific information. We have sourcing list. We have quotation. We'll send the request for quotation to the client, to the vendors, and we'll get the quotations. And bill of materials. We have service master data, inventory master data. And then transactional data in SAP FMR, purchase order, goods receipt, invoice receipt, goods issue, goods return process, stock transfer, material reservation data, stock overview data, physical inventory data. And the third one is implementation level. Here we have two levels in implementation: baseline configuration. Majority of complete configuration of 80% will be done in baseline configuration. Here next, final configuration, which is integration with other modules. Like, and also system design and development. Like here, without ABAP, we cannot do the fit gap analysis. And we also we as SAP consultant, we work with ABAP regarding rest of objectives. And also next here ABAP works under SAP consultant. And also we also do configuration for quotations, best vendor selections, purchase requisition, and so on. And here comes special procurement activities. And also we have to prepare the SAP end user documents after configuration part is finished up. And data migration, which is converting a non-SAP data complete to SAP, which is called as data migration. Data migration tools are for ECC, we have LSMW, Legacy System Migration Workbench, and BDC, Batch Data Communication. And second one is for S4HANA, we have LTMC and LTMOM, which is Legacy Transformation Migration Copied. And by using these both tools, we convert non-SAP data to SAP data. We have also testing activities, unit testing, integration testing, regression testing, performance, user acceptance, security testing. And also as a SAP consultant, we have to write test scripts for required scenarios of both the business and the same we have to update in the application lifecycle management tool. And we also have to perform the test scripts in SAP system. And we have to conclude whether the test script is passed or failed, and depends on us. And also we have a non-SAP system, which is also called as a legacy system or source system. The final part is after completion of implementation, then the support project will be started. Support project, which is nothing but it is simply like a ticket based work. There will be service level agreement for each ticket. We have priorities, priority 1, P1, P2, P3 and P4. For P1, which is high priority, similar to P2 is also high priority. We have resolution time for P1 is 2 hours. P2 for resolution time is 6 hours. P3, which is medium level, and which is resolution time is 3 days. P4 resolution time is 4 days. Based on the priority, we have to work on the tickets based on the priority level. And also here we basically we use the ticketing tool is ServiceNow tool, and ticketing types we have 3 types: incident types, incident ticket, service request, change request. And also we have to work on the error troubleshooting apart from working on these tickets. Master data issue, configuration issue, new requirements, interface issue, data format, performance related issues, authorization errors, and also integration related error troubleshooting. That's all. Thank you so much.
Great, nice explanation. Thank you very much. See guys, మనకి ఈరోజు